Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina, the largest city in Argentina.
In Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan.
Buenos Aires has a population of 17 million people.
Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man.
Argentina has a population of 45 million people.
How many yesterdays are between